Hi everyone, in the first part of my Goa vlog video, I showed you all what we have for lunch while traveling from Mumbai to Goa. In this video, I'm going to show you what we have for snacks. I can actually call this my favorite part of traveling from Mumbai to Goa because this is my favorite spot where we have street food like kanda bhajis, vada pav, and even those spicy fried chilies. And everything is just so delicious because first of all it is so cold on this hilly Amboli Ghat, and secondly this person whose name is Bharat Patil, he tells us that he uses some secret ingredients to make the bhajis extra tasty and crispy. Well, we can't share the secret ingredient with you all because even I myself don't know what that is, but trust me, all the snacks taste absolutely amazing. We couldn't resist ordering more and more and more even though we were full. And even the simplest food like this corn fry, it was absolutely amazing. I mean, imagine traveling in a cold monsoon season and with this view you're getting that warm food. Oh, and how can I forget the best part? Yes, the monkeys. There are so many monkeys over there, so many monkeys, and if you feed them food they will be really happy to come back again with more and more monkeys. So yeah, that is really nice. Overall, I think it's a really nice place with Bharat Patil and his brothers offering us such amazing food, and this view is amazing, the place is amazing, the climate, weather, it's always amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog, and I will be coming back with part 3 soon where I'm going to show you all the restaurants and cafes that I visit when I am in Goa. Check the description box for further details. Thank you.